Hi, welcome to Slay the Spider. I'm Jim B, and I'm the creator and host of Slay the Spider. Shares of the S&P 500 are called S&P Depository Receipts, SPDRs. Spiders. Slay the Spider means I intend to beat the S&P 500 quite substantially. For the week ending December 30th, the markets had a flat week. In healthcare, biomedicals, and healthcare both advanced and drugs declined. In media communications, media, internet, and telephones all advanced. In technology, software declined. On the bear side, semiconductors, electronics, and computers also declined. In consumer discretionary, household products were unchanged. Restaurants and leisure declined. On the bear side, gaming, autos, and retail all advanced. In the financials, on the bull side, banks, finance, savings, and loans were unchanged. Insurance declined. On the bear side, Wall Street was unchanged and real estate declined. In the industrials, steel declined. Aero defense, machinery tools, chemicals, and waste management were unchanged. On the bear side, building products declined and metals advanced. In the others group, oil and oil services advanced. Gas utilities declined. Forest products were unchanged, and protection and safety advanced. On the bear side, precious metals, textiles, food, and electric utilities were unchanged. Business products declined, and transports advanced. For the week ending on December 30th, 16 sectors were unchanged, 11 sectors advanced, 13 sectors declined. No sectors crossed from the bull side to the bear side or vice versa. There's now 22 sectors on the bull side and 18 on the bear side. Overall, our market score changed from 22 to 21. For the week ending December 30th, 2022, the S&P 500 closed at 3839, down 5 points or 0.14% for the week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at 33,147, down a whopping 57 points for the week, or 17 hundredths of a percent. And NASDAQ closed at 10,466, down 31 points, or 3/10 of a percent for the week. This past week, 8 stocks went from buy signals to sell signals. There were 3 new issues. There's now 32% of stocks on buy signals and 68% on sell signals. Overall, our market score last week was 22. This week it's 21. Strength lies in the financials. The industrials were flat this week, but there was weakness in media communications, technology, and consumer discretionary stocks. For the entire year of 2022, the S&P 500 is down 21.04% and NASDAQ is down 33.1%. Energy stocks are up 57.6% year to date. For the first 52 weeks of 2022, healthcare was down 3.23%. Media communications was the worst performing sector, down 38.25%. Technology lost 28.4%. Consumer discretionary stocks were down 36.82%. The financial stocks were down 12.4% for the year. Industrials lost 7.18% for the year, not bad. Real estate was down 28.7%, and basic materials lost 14.25%. For the past week, the S&P 500 was down less than 0.2%. Nasdaq was down 0.3%. Energy stocks were up 0.5%. Healthcare stocks were up 0.18%. Media communication stocks lost 0.3%. Technology was down 0.13% for the week. Consumer discretionary stocks lost 0.2%. Financial stocks were the best performing group, up 0.7%. The industrials were flat, being up 0.18%. Real estate stocks were down 0.3%, and basic materials were the worst performing sector, down 1.1%. For the week ending December 30th, 10-year Treasury bond yields ended at 3.879, up 12 basis points for the week. For the week ending December 30th, West Texas Intermediate crude oil closed at $80.26, up 70 cents from last week, or 0.9%. The 3-month trend for West Texas Intermediate, it's up 77 cents over the last 3 months, or 1%. For the past week, wholesale gasoline closed at $2.46. It was up 7.6 cents this week, or 3.18%. The 3-month trend is it's lost 10 cents over the last 3 months, or 4.1%. This past week, for the second week in a row, natural gas was down 60 cents, 60.4 cents, or nearly 12%. The 3-month change is it's down $2.29, or 33.8% just in 3 months. Since Biden's inauguration in 2021, West Texas Intermediate crude oil is up 53%. Wholesale gasoline, RBOB, is up 8%. Natural gas has gained 82%, and 10-year Treasury bonds are up from 1.51% to 3.89%, and that's more than a 255% increase in the interest rate. Officially, inflation has gone from 2.1% to 7.1%. Who knows what the real true number is? The S&P 500 is up just 3.5%, while Nasdaq has lost 22.8% since Joe and the Democrats took over. Subscriptions are available for $12 a month on an annual contract, or $15 a month on a month-to-month contract. I've been producing the Slay the Spider Circle since 1998 and using it to manage private client assets. I've been nearly completely out of stocks for the past year. My portfolio performance is now well ahead of the S&P 500 and NASDAQ indices since I went into cash. That's the total idea behind Slay the Spider. Outperform the indexes in both up and down markets. Now is an excellent example of cash beating the market substantially. I'm looking forward to buying many of the stocks I owned previously at prices well below what I sold them for last year. I will then own more shares going forward, in some cases twice as many. Sure, there were a few stocks I wish I had kept, but in total, I'm more than happy avoiding this bear market.